You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. Oh, 'cause you are my one love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, you're the one in my heart, my heart. You make me feel alive, I feel crazy when you make me smile, smile. Feel like I can fly, fly. One love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, I feel crazy.
Hello and welcome to a new vlog here with us in Argentina. We are making our way to one of the most famous places here in Argentina, which is Iguazu Falls. So let us take you through our day, how we reached there and explore Iguazu Falls on both the ends, that is the Argentinian side and the Brazilian side. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to day one of our series in Buenos Aires. We haven't decided where we would be going today, but we think we will rock our day. Let's go. And it is raining. We should have taken that gentleman's umbrella. Look at that. A pizza place.
Started drizzling a bit and look! My God, the weather is amazing.
Prepared for the weather, okay? This looks like a street.
The weather is nice, not too bad, not too much raining.
We've made it to a bridge called Women's Bridge. It's here in Puerto Madero. It's one of the most popular area for lifestyle and known to be one of the most expensive suburbs here in Buenos Aires. Let's go and have a look at the bridge. Let's go, that's us. So here we are at the Women's Bridge at Puerto Madero in Buenos Aires. It's a beautiful bridge, beautiful coastal line, as you can see. Out here, hustling. It's a lively vibe to be at.
Hello and welcome everyone to a new vlog and a new day in Buenos Aires. It's 7 o'clock here today and in the morning, and we are making our way to Iguazu Falls. Now, normally people would prefer taking a flight to Iguazu Falls, which is just around 15 minutes from the airport. But we plan to take a different route, and we are going to take the driving route, yes. So we are going to drive up from Buenos Aires straight ahead to Iguazu Falls. So let's see how the drive is. So we are just ready to leave. We've just packed our bags, and let's get this thing in the car and we'll hit the road as soon as possible.
I'm fine when you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. Oh, 'cause you are my one love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, you're the one in my heart, my heart.
So here we are finally at the Iguazu National Park after driving for more than 17 hours and covering more than 1,300 kilometers. My God, the journey was phenomenal. We really loved the drive. So now let's head inside and go to visit the Iguazu Falls.
I'm not saying lies, I feel crazy. You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad.
huge line that we're just gonna stand into to get our tickets. We did not pre-purchase our tickets because we were unsure of what the payment would be like online. So let's go and get our tickets. We're just standing in a line to get our tickets, and my god, I did not expect the crowd, but just look at us. Just waiting for the tickets in the sea full of people. So we've just got the tickets. We're just about to make our entry into the park. This is how it looks. It's pretty empty here. The line was just because some of the counters were closed. I'm very excited again. So we're just about to enter National Park.
Gracias. So she's taking food. Someone's really hungry, huh? So this is restaurant La Silva here in the Iguazu National Park, and it's a buffet here. If anybody wants to have lunch or something over here. Nice place, huh?
So we've got our food, we're just so famished. And I'm stealing some fries after saying I didn't want any fries.
So we've reached the train station now. So it's called the Estación Central. So this train will take us directly near the falls.
I am
let's go.
happy hearing this because I genuinely thought that we'd have to walk all the way to Iguazu Falls, but we're lucky that the train exists and makes the walk less daunting.
I got it.
Unfortunately, the train that we were supposed to get from the Estación Central was full. So we are on our way to the next station, which would be very soon. We need to walk for a few minutes to actually make it to that station. It's so difficult to pronounce, but
So now we are here at the train station, and we just have to get our ticket for that. My god, it's so hell lot of people, man.
so we've
Good luck in getting the line. So the Iguazu Falls, or Big Water, which it is called, are the waterfalls of the Iguazu River on the border of Argentina and Brazil. Now together they make up the largest waterfall system in the world. It is also taller than Niagara Falls and wider than Victoria Falls. Right now we are at the Argentinian side of the waterfall, which is located at the Misiones Province. So let us go and visit the waterfall up close.
We've reached the last train stop. Now we are on our way to the actual falls. So we're here at Iguazu Falls. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's surreal. We are here at the Argentinian side, and the other side is Brazil, which we are hoping to make it to today. Let's go.
This is Iguazu Falls, and oh my god, it is damn amazing. I don't know if it's the biggest waterfall apart from Niagara Falls, but I'm damn sure it looks pretty amazing. So I think that side over there is Brazil, and you can see the people around here getting down to see the waterfall on the Brazil side as well.
So we just finished our tour of Argentinian side of the Iguazu Falls. We are on our way to the Brazil side. Hopefully we make it in time. Let's go. So we made it to the Brazil side. Welcome to Brazil. Iguazu Falls. Brazil side of the Iguazu Falls, I mean. Very excited to see how it looks like from here and whether we can see the Argentinian side from here as clearly as we thought we would be able to. So let's go to the parking.
So we have just purchased tickets to the Iguazu Falls on the Brazilian side. We are just waiting on the bus to collect us, and then probably we'll just head towards it. So let's see how it goes and how it is different from the Argentinian side as well.
So we're just about to board our bus to Iguazu Falls. It's going to go to the... You want to sit upstairs?
Yeah, why not? Okay, so this is the bus that's gonna take us.
So we are here in the Brazil side of Iguazu Falls. Let's have a look. The view is behind me is the Brazil side of the Iguazu Falls. It's equally breathtaking, and that's where the Argentinian side is. Let's go down over there. I think you can see the fall from view up to down. Let's go. That's the Argentinian side. You can definitely see more falls from there, but this is where most of the water is. Amazing, isn't it? It's the world's largest waterfall.
I got the breath. The view looks stunning from here.
Like there are falls here.
And over there is the main fall over there. Let's go and check it out from that point.
There are more falls there, and that's where you get the boat from.
So that was the end to our visit to the Iguazu Falls. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning today, and we are making our way to Iguazu Falls. तो ये बुक कर ले आई है खाना. कितना खाएगी पे?
कितना खाती हूँ? मेरा खाना 400 ग्राम था.
अरे ये देखो रिसाइकलिंग कोरोना की बियर की बोतल काट के इसका ग्लास बना देंगे. मैं इतना था और ये इतना खाना जाता किधर है. बारिश हो रही है. इट्स रेनिंग. आज वेदर ऐप पे बताया तो नहीं था कि बारिश का मौसम होगा.
It was supposed to be sunny, 27 degrees. Well, this is the
बारिश
best you would get.
का मौसम तो नहीं है, लेकिन पता नहीं क्यों बारिश हो रही है। साला वेदर आप गलत बताता है, वेदर आप गलत बताता है। यहाँ से 200 मीटर आगे बारिश नहीं हो रही, तो इधर क्यों पानी की छींटें पड़ रही हैं।